So there's like this super awkward thing that you have to get good at, or at least comfortable with. And it's the thumbs inwards behind the back position. Because there's all these moves we do, like this, where if you're turning your thumbs inwards, super graceful. Swish, whether it's split time or same time. But if you're trying to go like this, thumbs out, it's a lot more awkward. You can do it that way, but it's often a lot more awkward. So this just means, go like this, go give me 5, around behind. It would be awkward to go give me 5 around, but you have to go this way. So you can take a poi and make sure you take your right poi, make sure you're in this position, and just get used to making circles one way and the other way. And look at my fingers and wrists. You're really kind of scooping your fingers and your wrist to make circles one way and the other way, and make sure it's in that tucked under, thumb in position. One way and the other way. And then what's going to be really useful, you can shorten your poi around your fingers, and it can be a little awkward at first, don't worry, but you want to try to get this feeling with both the hands, thumbs in, not together, thumbs pointing in, where you can circle one way and the other way. And it can be totally floppy at first. Just a little bit of success will go a long way. Swoop, 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 swoop. You can stand against the wall to get a feeling for this. If you work on that, when you go to do, like say, the hip reels, you want to pass through that position. And you want to get over the urge to go like that, or like this, or like that, or both hands are in that. Now it's give me 10. So a little awkward, even from, say we just face this way, see that thumb up? You can practice just going upside down, and what'll happen right away is, for a lot of you, is you'll lose your plants, and that's totally normal. We all go through this. So you can just go 1 circle and back, 1, 2 and back, and that can take, come back to that, a few days in a row, and it's just, your brain really has to rewire it. For most people, it did for me, but before long you'll be like, oh, and you'll be able to have that mapped, so to speak, so that you can just spin a circle like that, and then all of a sudden your brain understands what's going on with the poi in your hands in this funny position, and then everything gets easier. So it takes a little bit of work, but not that much, and it's totally worth it. Let me know if that makes sense.